Hello, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how to set up a network software license. There are two utilities that you're going to need to install on your acting server. Start by going to Mastercam.com, Downloads, continue down towards the bottom of the page and select Drivers and Utilities. Continue to scroll down again until you see Software Licensing. You're first going to need to install the code meter, runtime installation, as well as the Mastercam Activation Wizard setup. After those two utilities are installed, you'll need to run the Mastercam Activation Wizard setup and go through the steps to activate your license. To start, I'll go to the Windows icon in the lower left corner, Mastercam Licensing Utilities, Activation Wizard. From there, we're going to select the online activation deactivation and activate a new license. From there, we'll go ahead and enter in our license number and continue through the activation process. From there, take a quick glance at all of the products listed. If they don't match what you have, please contact us at this time. At the end of the activation process, you'll get product activation successful. Select Finish, and from there we need to launch Code Meter. From there, go to the Windows icon again in the lower left corner. Scroll down through the programs until you see the Code Meter folder. Expand that and select the Code Meter Control Center. From there, you should see that your license has been activated, and we'll select the Web Admin button. Within the Web Admin button gives us additional information as well as monitoring options for our networkable license. Across the top, we need to select our configuration, server, server access. From there, we need to enable the network server. And note we have the port of 22350. This port may need to be added to your firewall to enable the license to talk back and forth to the server. From there, we'll go ahead and select Apply. Operation completed successfully. Now that the network server has been enabled, we want to switch over to a client computer so that we can further access this. And from here, we want to go ahead and verify our server IP address before we make that switch. So an easy way to verify your IP address is if you expand your system tray and select the Wi-Fi or internet access, go into your network settings and properties, scroll down, and you should see your IP address listed here, right? From there, you'll take that number or note that number, and now we're going to switch to a client computer. For all sakes and purposes, I'll go ahead and close this back out. So now we're on our client computer, okay, and we'll go to our code meter again. You can access that here through the system tray. Select your web admin. And from, again, this being the client computer, we're going to go to Configuration, and we'll just pick the Configuration button, and we're going to say Add New Server. From there, we're going to go ahead and paste in that server address and select Apply. And that should do it. From there, if you have any questions or concerns, just give us a call. Number is 530-268-8508, or you can send us an email to support@sierracadcam.com.